In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. This process will streamline your ordering and help you keep better track of your purchases, so let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. If you're not already logged in, navigate to the sign in page and enter your username and password. Once you've entered your information, click continue. It's a straightforward way to ensure you're accessing the right account and that your data remains secure. Now that you're logged in, look to the top left corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. You'll see a button labeled New. This is where you can create various types of entries including purchase orders, so go ahead and click on New. A drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select Purchase Order. This is the key document you'll use to control your buying process, so make sure you select the right option. Next, you'll need to add the vendor details. Select the vendor, who is essentially the seller or company you're purchasing from. If you've previously worked with this vendor, their information may be already saved in your system, making this step quick and easy. If you're adding a new vendor, take a moment to input their details accurately to avoid any future discrepancies. After adding the vendor, the next step is to specify the ship to address. This is crucial as it tells your vendor exactly where the product should be delivered. Make sure you input the correct address to prevent any logistic hiccups. Whether it's shipping to your business address or another location, clarity is key. Once the shipping details are set, it's time to specify the service or category for your order. This helps in categorizing what you are purchasing, whether it's for office supplies, inventory, or any other purpose. Proper categorization aids in accurate bookkeeping and analysis down the line, so emphasize precision here. If there's anything specific you'd like to communicate to the vendor, now's your chance to add a message or memo. This section is optional, but if you have specific instructions or notes, adding them here can save time and ensure both parties are on the same page. Finally, once you've double checked all your details and you're satisfied everything is correct, go ahead and click on Save and Close. This action saves your purchase order into the system and concludes the process. Your order is now ready, efficiently organized to streamline your future purchasing needs. And there you have it, a straightforward, easy to follow guide on creating purchase orders in QuickBooks Online, designed to simplify your business processes and enhance operational clarity. Keep practicing these steps to become more proficient, and don't forget to customize them according to your business requirements. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.